see a shepherd boy just being lazy. I see a wise man thinking we're crazy, but they knew on that night they had to follow that light in the sky. What strange feeling would occur when this mother saw incense and myrrh? There was a boy that they had to see. No one could fathom what he would be. But this little chap, wrapped in cheap clothes, they knew he was the Son of God. I see the angels thinking it's time. Get ready for the party. The stars about to shine. Did they laugh? Did they dance? Were they caught in awe or in a trance? But there was a boy they had to see. No one could fathom what he would be. But this little child, wrapped in cheap clothes, he really was the Son of God. Everyone said there was no need. Little did they know what was drawing near. Just a pregnant lady was all they could see. They didn't know he'd be a father to me. Yeah. But there was a boy they had to see.